Okay, gang, today I'm doing something different and experimental. I'm painting the shower wall. Boop! John and I built the shower wall. The shower's behind me. It's not done yet, but that's okay. Need the plumber next. So I'm putting on a very different kind of paint. It's called Galaxy Stone, and it's silver. It's a metallic paint, but it's very thick, as you can see. And then I'm adding, believe it or not, glitter. It's just glitter. That's all it is. So it's going in the metallic paint. I'm using this little brush roller thing. The roller is extremely thick because I just want to place it on. I'm not even painting it on. I'm just dabbing it. The reason I'm doing this is this wall is kind of rough, and I just wanted to have a different type of look for this particular wall, so that's what I'm doing. This is the first coat I'm putting on. You can't see the glitter and you can't see the sparkle because the light's not right, but I just wanted to show what I'm doing. I'll show you the results later. But anyway, this is all I'm doing. I'm not doing any kind of direction. I call it mud daubing. Ha! Anyway, this is going to be fun to see what kind of result I get. Stay tuned. Back again. Yesterday I put the first coat on, and today I'm going to do the second coat. Like I said, it doesn't look like much because you can't see the sparkly because the lighting's not good in here. I'm going to have to put an accent light on this wall, but I'll do a close-up for you and show you how pretty it is. This will give you a better idea what I'm dealing with. This is that metallic paint, very thick. Here we go. Come on out. Lip, 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 lip. Now I'm adding the glitter. Woo! Just don't want to spill that. That would be a mess. Ugh. Just mix it up with a regular paintbrush. Blend it all in. Then I just grab a bunch on my roller and start dabbing. Sorry. Oh, brother. That's kind of what I'm doing. In case you're interested, the product I'm using is called Galaxy Stone, and it's from a company in Florida, Faux Effects, and that's F-A-U-X Effects. I also got the glitter there, although I don't know if you need to buy it from them or somebody else. Who knows? Anyway, give them a call. They're very friendly people. I like talking to real people since we don't get to do that very often. Here's the light showing the sparkly a little bit better. Plus it's a nice rough surface, which is what I wanted. So I'm happy with it. Okay, I was not happy with the glitter that came with the kit, so I went to Hobby Lobby and I bought more glitter. This has shapes to it, and this is just regular glitter, see? Anyway, I'm going to open this so you can see it. Just a second. This glitter is kind of wild. It's got all kinds of different shapes to it. You can see it. And then the regular glitter is just regular glitter. What I'm doing is putting fresh paint for my second coat on the wall. Make sure it's nice and wet. Then I go back, come with me, la 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 la, and I pick up a brush full of this glitter, just like that. And then I'm just spreading it on here like this. Has little black flakes and metallic flakes. It's just kind of fun. Doop-de-doop-de-doop. Then I'm going to take regular glitter and do the same thing. Here we go. Might show up a little better. Weird. Anyway, that's what I'm doing. And obviously I'm really going to have to put a polyurethane on here now because I don't want this stuff flaking off. I wish it would show up better on this device. It just isn't. But anyway, it's a lot more gleamy and I like it a lot better.